In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable autosave in Microsoft Word. Autosave is a fantastic feature that ensures your work is consistently saved as you go, reducing the stress of losing any unsaved changes. It's particularly useful if you're working on important documents and want to make sure that your data is safe and sound, all stored neatly in the cloud. Let's begin by opening your Microsoft Word document just as you normally would when starting your writing or editing tasks. The first thing to keep in mind is that this autosave feature is specifically designed to save your changes to the cloud every few seconds, providing an extra layer of security. Now, upon saving your document for the very first time, you'll want to select a cloud service, either OneDrive or SharePoint, as your save location. This step is crucial because autosave requires your document to be stored in the cloud to function properly. If you're new to OneDrive or SharePoint, these are Microsoft's cloud storage services offering the convenience of having your files accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Once you've saved the file to the cloud, you'll notice something different in your Word window. In the top left corner, right next to the familiar floppy disk icon, there appears an autosave switch. At this juncture, it's essential to know that if you don't see this toggle, it may be because the document isn't saved to the cloud yet. Always double check that step if you're experiencing trouble finding the autosave feature. The next step is quite simple but very vital. Click that autosave toggle switch to turn it on. And there you have it. Autosave is now enabled, and as you work on your document, Microsoft Word will automatically save those small but significant changes on your behalf every few seconds. Remember, autosave is not only a tool for convenience, but also a safeguard. Whether it's a sudden power cut or an unexpected application crash, having autosave means you can have peace of mind knowing you won't lose your valuable progress. However, make sure that you have a steady internet connection when using this feature, as it relies on the cloud to perform those automatic saves. In summary, enabling autosave in Microsoft Word is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of hassle and heartache from lost work. It ensures your documents are constantly updated, providing you a seamless and secure writing experience. So go ahead, give it a try, and let autosave be your safety net as you create, edit, and innovate with Word.